Welcome to Popeye's Village. Nestled on Malta's stunning Anchor Bay, this isn't just a theme park. It's where nostalgia, Hollywood history, and coastal charm come together. Whether you're here for the views or to relive your favorite cartoon moments, Popeye's Village is an adventure you'll never forget. To give you the basics, the tickets, prices vary depending on the season. In high season, July to September, adults and teens pay €24, kids aged 3 to 12 pay €16, and toddlers under 3 are free. In low season, November to May, tickets are more budget friendly, €15 for adults and teens and €10 for kids. And if you want to skip the queues, book online and save a few euros. Plus maximum discounts for groups or families. Your ticket covers everything: live shows, interactive activities, access to the entire village, entrance to the cinema, free popcorn, free postcard. Don't forget to pick the last two from the post office. But all varies per season, so do check out their official website for a relaxed, hassle-free adventure. You'll find the link in the description below for the website. And if you're here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button for more such informative travel videos, walking tours, and of course, exploring the world with me. Let's rewind to 1980. Back then, this idyllic bay was transformed into Sweet Haven, the fictional home of Popeye, for a live-action movie starring Robin Williams and Shelley Duvall. Over 165 crew members worked for 7 months to bring this whimsical village to life. They used 8 tons of nails, tree trunk logs trailered from Holland, wood shingles imported from Canada, and 2 gallons of paint to create 19 hand-built crooked houses. The movie, well, it wasn't a box office smash, but this village, it's an icon. Malta preserved it as a theme park, and now it's a magical spot for families, movie buffs, and adventurers alike. And that's how Sweet Haven became more than just a set. It became part of Malta's story. Today, it is one of the Malta's major tourist attractions. Step inside and it's like you've been transported into the cartoon world of Popeye. Each house has its own character and charm. You will find the Popeye's house is packed with quirky memorabilia, props from the film, and even his famous can of spinach. I will not be taking you inside the houses so that when you come, you have something new to see and discover for yourself. And if you're thinking you're just here to look around, nope. Popeye's Village is all about you getting involved. How about starring in your own Popeye's movie? That's right. You can dress up as Popeye, Olive Oil, or Bluto, and they'll film your very own scene to take home. It's goofy, it's fun, and surprisingly entertaining. And the live shows, they're slapstick comedy gold, with Popeye and the gang performing hilarious skits throughout the day. The performers are so animated, you'll feel like you're in the cartoon. And if you're feeling creative, you can head to the carpenter's shop where you can hammer away like a Sweet Haven local. And don't miss the bakery where the smell of fresh cookies will tempt you inside, or the post office which looks frozen in time. Every corner of this village is a treasure trove of surprises. Then there's this Anchor Bay. This turquoise beauty isn't just a backdrop, it's a showstopper in its own right. In summer, you can hop on a boat ride included with your ticket, or just relax by the water and soak in the views. Even in the cooler months, Anchor Bay is an Instagram heaven. All this exploring is bound to work up an appetite. Lucky for you, the cafe here serves up everything from hearty burgers to Maltese specialities like pastisi, those flaky savory pastries filled with ricotta or peas. And don't leave without a souvenir, whether it's a Popeye figurine or a bag of fresh cookies from the bakery. There's something for everyone. This village isn't just a theme park. It's a whimsical escape where the real world feels a million miles away. It's where every crooked house and salty breeze invites you to smile a little wider, laugh a little louder, and maybe even believe in a bit of cartoon magic. So whether you're here for the nostalgia, the stunning views, or the chance to star in your own cartoon adventure, Popeye's Village is a must visit.